Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can connect your iPad with internet using an Ethernet cable. So let's begin the video. First of all, you might have the question that Wasay, why should we even connect our iPad to the internet using an Ethernet cable where our iPad supports Wi-Fi? Well, there are different conditions where you might have to use the Ethernet cable. Let's suppose that your Wi-Fi is not very stable and it is disconnecting and you are doing some critical job. So in that case, a stable connection is through an Ethernet cable. Secondly, you may be in a place where you only have wired internet and you do not have any wireless connection. So in that case, an Ethernet cable is the way to go with your application. So in some work environments you do not have Wi-Fi, you have to use the Ethernet cable. So only then you can connect your iPad and do your work, and the scenarios go on. You're going to need the following things. First of all, an iPad. Here I have the iPad Air, which has a type C connector. Secondly, you're going to need an adapter. Basically this is a type C to multi-port, which also has a RJ45 or an Ethernet port. You can also get a simple type C to Ethernet port adapter. However, this is a multi-case where you can also connect HDMI or an external display, and this one is from Ugreen because they make one of the best products out there in the market and they are not very expensive. Lastly, your Ethernet cable, which is connected to your router, and this end will be connected to our iPad. In order to set it up, it's pretty simple. First of all, you're going to connect your Ethernet cable with your adapter. It's going to go something like that, and the type C port will be connected to your iPad. And that's all. Here you can see, if I scroll down, the Wi-Fi is off. However, if I go and open settings, you're going to have this Ethernet option, which means the iPad is connected to the internet using the Ethernet cable. And now if I open any browser, the internet should work. And here you can see I can surf the internet easily using the Ethernet cable. So yeah guys, in this way you can connect your iPad to the internet using an Ethernet cable. If you guys liked this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.